Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Blind River, Ontario, located along the north shore of Lake Huron. This community has been a gathering place for centuries, first for Indigenous peoples and later for European settlers. The town was officially established in the early 1900s, growing quickly thanks to logging, mining, and the fishing industry. Blind River gets its name from the nearby river that is almost hidden from view at its mouth, making it difficult to spot from the lake. Today, it's a welcoming stop along the Trans-Canada Highway, offering beautiful scenery and small-town charm. The waterfront is a perfect place to relax and watch the boats come and go. Whether you're passing through or staying for a while, Blind River offers a warm welcome and a peaceful place to enjoy nature. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Blind River, Ontario.